So yeah, I can try, but just wait for I think wait for next week. Next week we see how first.
Because it looks like now the low market cap, low value coins are pumping. So soul may take some time.
Yep, possible, but right now I think quite mixed. I see some they become red, some green. Until today, still mixed. I mean, the feeling is still mixed. The outlook, everything. Yeah. Opium. How about monthly chart? Anything there? Same, no?
Same.
Same, vertical.
Parabolic.
Parabolic. Yeah, similar, quite similar, I say. Okay. How about 3 days? Yeah.
Yeah. Lagging.
Okay, cool. I think anything else? 5i, nothing. Sushi, nothing. DMB, this one almost, I think almost. Yeah, almost. Dina, we take a break already. Like some time we didn't trade. Taxi. You see weakness, ma. This one weakness, I mean, if based on my experience, this one is weakness. Which means seller is trying hard to sell down the price, but keep rejected, and then maybe next 160. Maybe something here. Okay, 2 more minutes until we start. But actually, you guys can share some of the pair or assets that you want me to analyze. We can make it like Sunday night analysis lah. No worries lah. Because I just want to share you guys one of the project that I'm looking at, which can fall like 5 to 10. It's more to like open discussion. After I share to you guys, right? You guys can let me know your feedback on it. So 1 more minute. 1 more minute. Hey, Friday night, no one going out?
Booking ma.
Huh?
Booking ma.
So before I start, you guys have anything want to ask first, or anything related to market tradings? Anyone? Okay, so if no question, I will straight up to today's topic. 1 second. Okay. Let me open up the chat box. Set go. I go never mind lah. Go just for fun This one totally for fun today. Go here, consolidate, then break out. Break out, you see, right now we are having pressure here. So maybe next Monday we continue and see how it goes. Maybe can rejection also. Friday, not my day actually. If you guys with me long enough, right? Friday is not a good trading day for me. Okay, so let's talk about the thing I want to share to you guys. You guys heard before or not this game? Monster Infinite. Any one of you? This one sort like XC, very similar to XC. Okay, Dominic, no. Others, you guys heard before or not? MONI, or they call it Monster Infinite. If you go to their website, right, it's 99% similar to this XC Infinity. Same, play to social, play to govern, and then play to earn. So the entire concept is same exactly as XC. You see, play to earn. You see, even the template also almost the same. Okay, so if you guys have knowledge or did some research on this XC, right, the entire concept is that people play the game to earn the token, and then from the token they can cash out as a profit. And then this one is like monster they need to buy the monster, and then they need to invest their time and effort to play the game. In return, they get a token. So this Monster Infinite, right, is, I can say it's like 95% similar to XC. Okay, just that XC is utilizing Ethereum chain. Okay, Ethereum chain. But this one, Monster Infinite, they are utilizing Binance Smart Chain, which means they will use BNB. Okay, so you guys can have a look later. Maybe I can share the link, everything to you guys, or you guys can note down first. So they just launched their pre-sales few weeks ago, I think. Yeah, a few weeks ago, around November. September. Okay, so the pre-sales is quite successful in my, based on what I see. And the next thing is that the initial listing price is, if you calculate based on this everything, is about 20 cents US dollar per MONI. MONI is like XC AXS Okay, their core game token. Of course, internally they have another in-game token they call it FTT or something. Okay, but the main point is that this MONI will be the toll or the fees, or how do I say it? It's like the main coin that they need to get first before they can get into this game. So same the entire concept is like XC AXS So if you look at AXS price, right, it's like the future of MONI. Okay, so just now I mentioned that the initial offering price was 20 cents, and right now it's already 2.8. So it's like more than 14 times, I think. So you see here, right, this one is the time, you see, September of 17. They have been listed on few exchanges. If you look at this one moment, this one, let's say if you go to check on CoinMarketCap, right, where is it? Yeah, initially they are listed on Pancake, which means you need to swap you need to go for decentralized exchange DEX in order to get this MONI. through BNB. So after that, they are being listed on this Oct.End exchange, BitMEX, previously known as BitMEX. And then recently, they only get to listed on Gate.io. So their next plan will be listing on Binance. But that one I think quite a milestone, maybe next year, because the entire game, right, for this XC game, I mean, this MONI, right, their game will be launched around Q1 2022, which means next year, around January or February, I'm not sure, but the timeline is around there. Okay, so why I'm so confident on this game, because partially, to be straightforward, I have insider news. Okay, put it in that way, insider news, and I get to know the core team. So based on my own personal outlook, I think the price can go up to at least, I think at least, this one also hopium, see, this one moon boy target, I think at least 2-digit for this game, 2-digit. So initially, just now I shared to you guys, see, initially the launching price was 20 cents, and then straight up after the launch, after they've been listed on this Oct.End, right, the BitMEX, right, the price instantly straight up to 2.5, which means instantly investor get to earn about 20 cents, 20 cents to 2.4. So it's like 12 times. Okay, so after that, you see, you can see the price slowly came back down. So here, from here, right, you can see that there are some investor or will, because they purposely going to buy up all the tokens around 1.1 all the way up. See, until today, quite bullish also. Okay, so I just now saw Dominic question, player needs money to upgrade their monster as well. Okay, this one quite technical, but based on my info, based on my source, yes, straightforward answer is yes. They need money to first to enter the game. Okay, like for example, let's say if for those who know about XC, right, there's another token, in-game token, they call it SLP, SLP token. SLP token is like the in-game token for XC. So you farm SLP to cash out your profits, right? But for this MONI, right, the concept will be slightly different. In order to get this SLP, you need to get MONI also. Okay, if you want to buy your monster, upgrade your monster, anything also will go through MONI. So in short, the demand for MONI will just keep on going up, just like XC, just like AXS. Okay, just that you see, if you compare back to XC, right? XC, when you enter the game, right, you need XC, you need Ethereum, and then you need SLP. It's like three together. But for this MONI, right, they don't want to take that route. They want to go directly MONI first. Anything go through MONI first before you can get into the game. So this one is just a slight intro about the game. In details, I'm still not sure. Okay, but if you guys want, if you guys need more information, I can actually help to, get in touch with them to get to know more about this technical part. So to sum up everything, long story short, okay, I'm expecting this coin to boom all the way up to at least 10 or I don't know, maybe 20. Depends on what's your risk and also your target. For my target, minimum 5 to 10 times. Which means let's say if the price dip to 250, okay, if 5 times means about 12, 13, okay, and futures, let's say in future, after the game launch, we will never know how far the price can go, but expect if you want to go further, right, the target will be $30 per coin, per MONI. So and then the max supply, the max supply is confirmed 100% fixed at 270 million coin only. Okay. So actually all the data you guys can look up at CoinMarketCap lah. Okay, see BEP20 finance smart chain. So if you want to know about the community, actually the fastest way is go to Twitter. See, their Twitter follower already have 167,000 follower. Okay, and then worldwide based on source they mentioned ready player will be around 300,000 at least. Okay, so is it? By the way, they are still very active on their community. I see the daily still update. See, this one STT is their in-game token, just like the SLP, just like SLP on this XC. Okay, and then of course they will do staking also lah, just like XC. XC just recently launched staking lah. That's why the price went up like crazy. So compared to this MONI, right, they will also do the same thing, but they will do early. Okay, let's say the game once the game launch, right, they will do this staking also, staking to provide liquidity and also the coin exchange. So you guys need to study lah. I mean everything technical, right? You guys need to study all the fundamental stuff. So no, the advantage, the whole pool community. See, actually they have medium also. See, 8,000 followers. See, trending. Okay, so question, any question, you guys? Need multiple wallet for this MONI. Okay, for wallet, right? For my own self, I'm using this Pancake Swap. Okay, let me put away this. So for myself, right, I'm actually using Pancake lah. I'm sorry, Pancake, but I'm using Binance Smart Chain wallet. Okay, because if you want to use Pancake to get MONI, you can actually get directly also. See, so you can keep on your Binance Smart Chain wallet, or you guys can straight up go to Gate.io, sign up an account, and then you guys will have the wallet inside. Let me share to you guys. Where is it? Spot account, and then MONI. See, Binance Smart Chain. So it's the same actually. Binance Smart Chain, when if you guys use before, Binance Smart Chain is just the same address as Ethereum chain. So anything you send into there, you will get to keep all the coin inside your wallet, all coin. So this one same like you guys need to study that. But if you guys are unsure, right, you guys can ask me also. Then Dominic asks, what is the price you suggest to enter? Okay, pricing wise, this one also, this one straightforward. I think straight up, Dominic, straight up, the answer will be buy any dip. Any dip is a good buy, because last week, actually last week around 1.2, I buy in some lah, and then after that 2.4, I sell off everything already. Just trying lah, just testing the water lah. So I think anything, any dip, right, is a good buy, because I think the price will sooner or later will go above 3. This one is the nearest target. See, 1, 2, 3, third retest. So let's say third retest, price reject down. I think the most the price also will go back to the par. I mean the launching price of around 2.2. So anything around 2.2 or 2.3 will be the good entry zone. But of course, the lower the better. So the minimum target 10, 10, and then 13, 17, and then all the way up to 30. So maybe you guys can buy some and keep for long term. And then short term wise is right now you buy in, you FOMO in, okay, just my point of view lah. Okay, you buy in right now and then you hold for like 2 to 3 months, because right now already October, November, December, and then January when they launch the game, then you will know what is the outcome of the, for the game and also the price. Okay, Jackson, just now you asked me, Gate.io is like Binance. Yup, Gate.io is actually more or less like Binance, just that Gate.io will be like a cheaper exchange, I can say. Why I say cheaper exchange? Because they list a lot of you say shitcoin lah, see. Okay, if you look at this, all this coin, I don't know, I didn't heard before. I see all this they call shitcoin. I see the volume is like few thousand only, you see, 10,000, 20,000. All these low volume coin, they call it shitcoin. So you need to understand that. Okay. See, for MONI, 24-hour volume is like almost 500,000. So liquidity also quite important. The turnover also quite important. And then next, okay, can all in already. Rice or porridge, mini kadi. Okay, this one I also plan to all in, but still same. This one not financial advice. You guys need to do your own risk assessment. Okay, so just do a calculation, do the maths. Let's say you invest 10,000, 5 times or 10 times will be 100,000 or 50,000. So you guys need to calculate yourself lah. Okay, but of course any buy entry or signal, I will try to update you guys. And then for cheaper way to get money, right, I think will be through Gate.io or this Oct.End. Action Big Max. This one, yeah, here. You see welcome bonus. They even have welcome bonus. So let's see. We look at Oct.End. Let's look at MONI. See the volume here, 216. 216 is how much? Oh, also same. 21686. 21864 times 2.8. 600,000, which means the volume over Oct.End exchange is more than Gate.io. See, quite active also, the pricing. Okay, Qisan, you ask, is this project by Jinjin? Who is Jinjin? Who is Jinjin? So, any more question? Any more question? Is it even YouTube? They have videos, a lot of video. How to buy MONI? See this one. Monster Infinity is step-by-step process how to buy MONI in public sales. Next Infinity, yeah. MONI, they also label themselves the second Axie Infinity. Okay. You see the feedback is quite crazy, not few comments only, you see. And then they also say they target Filipino. They target Filipino because most of the Filipino right now, they are playing Axie. And then Axie, they are true, they are scholar. Their position is scholar, which means they help other people to play. Okay, so for example, let's say Douglas, me Douglas, I invest on this game, but I don't have the time to play. So there's a thing called, there's an arrangement called scholar, which means you can hire someone to help you to play the game. It's not like profit sharing also lah. Let's say you hire someone there, okay, that someone help you to play this game. Once you get the return or profits, right? So you guys will sort out, maybe 70% you take, or 70% the person take, and then the balance you take. So compared to this MONI, okay, those Filipino, they right now they are doing scholar, but what if they come to this MONI? They can actually be their own boss to play this game because it's cheaper to entry compared to Axie. Okay, and then second will be, you know, based on Binance Smart Chain, or you know, Binance Smart Chain, everything is cheaper, transaction cost, gas fee, everything. So there are a lot more lah. Okay, this one is just the surface of the entire thing. Okay, I saw Jisan, the founder of MMI. Okay, this one sort like part of them lah. I mean, part of them, they are the part of the core team lah. So yep. Any more question, guys? Any more question? Q&A session. Anyone? But all in all, you guys need to do more research. But based on my own outlook, my own opinion, I think the sky is not the limit. The moon is the limit. I'm quite positive on the game lah. So if you guys want to play the game, just buy the token and hold. That's my point of view. You see, for the past 1 month, is considered as U-turn. I mean, all the way down and then up. Then imagine one day if they really get to list on Binance, I think it will be too late lah for us to get. Okay, Dominic, we trust you. Okay lah. I mean, if even you trust me, right? Even I trust the core team also, right? You guys still need to understand the resource in case of you know, even if the entire project looks very good, but one concern for me is that first is the bear market. If there is a bear market coming in crypto, right? Then this MONI will come down along, you know. So that one is my first concern now. Okay, maybe I can write it down. Okay, so the risk, the first one will be bear market. Okay, so if the entire market crash, right, I think MONI will crash along, and the downside is very limited lah. Okay, if you need to counter this point, right, the downside is very limited. Okay, and then next will be the game itself. Since the plan will be launching around Q1 2020, so if there's any delay or whatsoever, equals to delay of moon. Okay, and then third will be same lah, still same, the game and the chain itself. Sorry. So what I mean is the chain itself, maybe hacking. I mean the risk of hacking, and then technical issue and more. Okay, you guys think lah. Okay. And what else? What else? What is the risk? Before we talk about the 5 to 10 fold, right? We need to understand what is the risk also lah. Okay, but so far what I can think is that these three only. Or you guys have any opinion, feedback, questions? Come on, open up your mic. No need to shy. Any question? Any question? No question. No question, then can end the entire session. You guys can FOMO in or in. Any guys? Any? Okay, so clear. So if nothing else, then I think that's all from my side lah. Okay, I will send to. Okay, so end of topic for this MONI thing. Next will be analysis. You guys have anything want me to analyze, or you guys want to check with me? Any? ETH. Very fast, bro. Very fast. Okay, so ETH, what's the issue with ETH, bro? Outlook. Targets. Okay, let me check. I want to buy spot. Why, bro? Why you want to buy spot? No need to buy spot already, ma. Straight up buy MONI enough, huh? Okay, so now we talk about ETH first. ETH, last week, last 2 weeks ago, I just mentioned to you guys that the price will somehow mirror the price action of Bitcoin. So right now, I think we need to wait until next week because you see the past few days the price going up is like slowly going up, and then there are a lot of wicks and spike. See, like doji. Then if you draw the pattern, right, this one is like a wages. It's like a wages for me. So time like this, right, is similar to the gold price. You see, it's either we break up, then we test the high, okay, or else price reject down back to 200, okay, and then bounce again. We don't know. If you say all the way down back to 3,000 or below, is quite hard lah. So ETH spot, I can say not a good time, bro. You see, the price up here is just this part only, bro. So if the price below here, then okay lah, good to enter lah. You get me now? So ETH, I don't think it's a good time to buy in spot. And then maybe you guys can look into other coin like just now we mentioned, Solana. We go for others, other blockchain coin like what, Solana. See, Solana just now Hakim shared the fractals, okay, Solana, and then maybe Luna. I'm not sure yet. Luna also correlated to sometimes I relate to this Solana also. And then our X, our X, because our X, this one we still have a very clear direction that the price can still go up. So depends on you, bro. Ethereum, for me, if you ask me personal opinion, I will not buy spot for now lah, because the price not nice lah, to be honest. Okay, so next, Jackson asked about this XRP. Your XRP, I also pending at you. XRP, wasting too much time. You see? XRP still stuck here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 week already. 1 week already, we have been consolidating around this zone, and then all the weeks keep retesting 1.02 zone, and then top 1.087 or 1.09 lah. So if we go into H4, right? H4 black candle. Okay. This one is the trend line or the previous trend line? I mean the previous the previous trend line here. You see, test 1, test 2, this one force break, and then it came back down, and then 4, I mean 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this one consider 5 also lah, because here 5, and then 6. 6 break up, I mean break this trend, but the price is congested here. The pattern is similar to this lah, you see, congested. So last time congested is because downside, then another downside. This one congested. So this time up, congested, up. This one is like more to like fractals and also chart and pattern analysis lah. So XRP, we need to have quite some patience lah. You see, today also we test 1.09 just now, and then quickly the price reject down again. Okay, so the key zone if you guys want to note down, I think I mentioned before also lah. If you guys want to note down the core, I mean the price, the critical price will be this 1.13 lah. Yeah, 1.13. So if price get to close here, just imagine the price get to close here. Let me draw. Yeah, let's say if price get to close here above like this something like this imagination then the chances will be strong all the way up. Why I say all the way up? If you look at this all this zone you see, this one is previous resistance So with this momentum over here, if price get to close here again I will consider this one as a fourth retest. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4, or this one fifth retest. So fifth retest, maybe the price trade up, teleport all the way to 1.21, and then if you want to go higher, based on our FIBO extension, it will be 1.4 already. This one all kosong we call free zone This one free zone. So XRP, let's see. If price really go up here, I think Bitcoin will go all the way up to retest 60. 60. See, our buy limit here haven't hit. So XRP and Ethereum. Anything else? By the way, this Sunday I think no meeting I mean for this Sunday. So if you guys want to ask anything, I just ask now. Anything. I'll go. Okay, I'll go. Okay, I'll go the day we shot, and then last few days I think Dinesh asked me how is the trade. Then I say better we book some profit, and then we book around here we book around here, and then price quickly go back up again along the entire market. So if you look at this drawing, I mean the current drawing, right? You see the trend line already broken. See, same 1, 2, 3. You see again same fourth retest, breakout, retest, and then I think continuation. Very simple, I mean the tagline will be breakout, retest, and then continuation. Always this one always happen. So I'll go, I think most likely the price will break above. I mean retest this level again. So if you draw a line here, this one there's a small, we call mini trend line here See 1, 2, 3. So if price came back now again, maybe I will update if there is any chance to buy in, or maybe you guys can set your buy limit around here. Anything above this 50% this wave, and then up towards 2.3. Previously I call buy to 2.3 So I think the price will retest 2.3 again but to be precise, I think the price will be 2.24. So this one maybe we wait for the next 1 to 2 days and then or maybe Monday lah. Currently, I'm not holding any algo trades, but I'm holding this algo spot. No? You see, and then another thing is that if you look at here, this one is previous support, resistance. So if we look at here is support again. See, pressure on top, pressure below, and then below. This one break. So algo, the downside will be quite limited for now. Only if the price break below this zone, then we will need to be cautious. But for now, I think upside, upside again. Okay, so algo done. Any other? We have another 24 minutes. Bitcoin, no one asked about Bitcoin. You guys not trading Bitcoin, or you guys fed up already because I stop loss? Bitcoin, any of you guys trading Bitcoin? Leo, Luna still holding? Yeah, bro. Luna still buying big, bro. Luna, where's Luna? Luna. This one Lina, where is Luna? Okay, Luna is still holding, bro. Because just now, I mean, this morning I did update if price, I mean, most likely price will create another all-time high today. But quite surprised, just now we had suddenly a red candle. See this stupid just now around 4 p.m. I still remember I looking at the chart just now 4 p.m. Price closed around this 48. And then out of sudden, the next few hours, price keep going down again. See, ding, 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 all the way up, all the way down. So if you guys enter around here or around this zone, still holding, no? Just that we need to still need to have some patience. Maybe this one is a scam candle. We don't know because quite sudden. Quite sudden, I can say quite sudden. Even this one is a big engulfing. Okay, I know this one is it's too obvious suddenly you see one red candle, engulf 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candle. So my current foresee will be if price retest here again and then only go back up. So this one is like a fake candle, fake candle to scare all the buyers out. Okay, why I say so? If you look at this daily chart, see if daily chart still consider there are room for upside. Why I say so? See here, resistance, resistance pressure from above. This one pressure from below. So not here. Then this one, this green candle, if I clear everything up, this green candle still supporting this entire scenario. So this one still holding. My target is around 54. 54. This one also based on FIBO also, So now FIBO here 0, 100. Okay, here 100. Retest. Too obvious this one retest. PP3 or I say PP3. PP3 you need to draw this. You can only saw this one. PP3. So there will be some retest. Obviously up and down here. How long we don't know, but for sure, I mean there's very high chances that price can go up. One more high. One more sweep high and then we are done. But of course, if you want to hold some to higher high, then maybe 59. That's what the price always did, okay, based on all the past trading experience and price action. Okay, so Luna done, and then 15 asked about LTC, Litecoin. Litecoin, if you look at my list, actually Litecoin not in my list, but it's okay. Litecoin is actually mirror of Bitcoin pricing also lah. So maybe we can start off from weekly chart first. Okay, weekly chart. Weekly chart, this 3 candle quite great color, and then okay, maybe nothing much. Maybe go daily, daily. Okay, daily, you see, based on all this line I dropped previously, 167 is a support, and then 150 support, 119, and then 102. So this one quite, this part is the key. You see, down, and then take some time to recover. So let me use FIBO, yes, FIBO. Let's say FIBO I use here. This one, the scenario is like XRP, I think quite similar to XRP. Why I say so? I see here now. So you see, rejection, and then breakout, false break, and then came back down, rejection. I mean pressure from above. So here, fault retest. So fault retest again, then same scenario, bro. Either price breakout or rejection only. But if fault rejection, I think price can go below, go lower. And then for the price action wise, quite big. You see, all small candle, bro. We need something big. Something big like this. If not, we just can wait. Like XRP, just wait only. Wait until further notice, bro. Okay. Meanwhile, we talk about other coin. You see, MONI going up again. Breaking. I think will break all-time high. See. Shit. No. 2.7 resistance clear. Flip support. Whoosh. G3. Confirm a 3, high chance. This one got future, we can undown already. So any more, guys? Any more? If no, then I will plan to end the session early. Any more questions? So once again, this Sunday no meeting. Maybe I will schedule on next Sunday, 17th. Yeah, 17th. Okay, so no question. And thank you guys. Thank you for joining. So you guys have a great weekend ahead. Bye. Thank you.
Thanks, bro. Bye.
All right, bye.